A few months ago, I was constantly busy, but rarely productive. My to-do list kept growing, and I felt like I was always playing catch-up. That's when I decided to experiment with tech tools. Not for fun, but for survival. I found 3 tools that completely transform the way I work. One helps me automate repetitive tasks. The second helps me plan my day with clarity. And the third acts like a personal assistant that never gets tired. Together, they helped me cut my work time in half without sacrificing quality. If you've ever felt overwhelmed or burnt out, this video might be your shortcut to finally working smarter, not harder. The first tool is called Automator. It's an app that lets you automate repetitive tasks on your computer. For example, let's say you use a template for creating presentations. With Automator, you can create a workflow that automatically inserts the template's page number, date, and company logo whenever you start a new presentation. This saves you from having to manually add these elements, which can take up a significant amount of time if you do it repeatedly. Automator can also perform complex tasks, such as renaming multiple files at once, or moving files from one folder to another based on specific criteria. By setting up an automation workflow, you can streamline your tasks and improve your overall productivity. The second tool I want to talk about is called TimeTree. It's a digital calendar and to-do list app that helps you plan your day with clarity. What sets TimeTree apart from other calendar apps is its focus on shared calendars and collaboration. You can create and share calendars with others, making it easy to coordinate schedules and plan projects together. TimeTree also has a unique feature called Time Blocks, which allows you to allocate specific blocks of time for different tasks and projects. This helps you stay focused and ensures that you allocate enough time for important items on your to-do list. Additionally, TimeTree has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to input events, tasks, and deadlines. The app also offers reminders and notifications to keep you on track. The third tool is called Notion. It's an all-in-one workspace that acts like a personal assistant that never gets tired. With Notion, you can manage your tasks, projects, and notes all in one place. Its customizable interface allows you to create databases, Kanban boards, and calendars to organize your work. Notion also has a built-in communication tool that allows you to collaborate with others in real time. You can also integrate Notion with other tools you use, such as Google Drive and Slack. Its powerful search function helps you quickly find what you are looking for, and its mobile app lets you access your work from anywhere. These 3 tools have completely transformed the way I work. They've helped me become more efficient, organized, and productive. If you're feeling overwhelmed and unproductive, I highly recommend checking them out. So give them a try and see how they can help you work smarter, not harder.